Can you change your TikTok region country? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In today's video, let us see if you can change your TikTok's region country. So, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and then tap on the account option under the account tab. Further, tap on the account information option you see there and then tap on the account region option. Now here, as you can see, I have multiple options, so simply scroll through and tap on the region that you want to change your country to. Here, as you can see, TikTok says that it cannot update region as TikTok from my account has not been used in that particular region for at least 60 days. So if you want to change your TikTok region, you will have to use your TikTok account in that particular region for at least 60 days in order to be able to use TikTok in that particular region again. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.